life's a fleeting melody, a whispering sound. We chase our dreams, but time slips away, leaving us wondering at the end of the day. Oh, life's so short, like a shooting star. We're here for a moment, then we drift afar. But in the midst of it all, we find our light, guiding us through the darkest night. We build our castles in the sands of time, but they crumble and fade, just like a rhyme. Every breath we take, every step we make, leads us closer to the dawn's embrace. Oh, life's so short, like a summer breeze. We dance in its rhythm with effortless ease. But in the dance of time, we find our grace, embracing each moment in its fleeting embrace. So let's cherish the laughter, let's savor the tears, for in the tapestry of life, they're the jewels we hold dear. Though the road may be short and the journey brief, every moment we live is a gift of relief. Oh, life's so short, like a candle's flame. We burn bright, then we're gone. It's just the same. But in the glow of it all, we find our song, singing of love in a world that's never long. So let's raise our voices, let's sing it loud, for the beauty of life in its fleeting shroud. Though we may be short-lived in this grand design, we'll shine bright like stars until the end of time.